Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 22nd of September. For those who are in complete no communication or no contact and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, please keep in mind the roles can be reversed. Also, the action can be from your side. Also, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Now let's see, Virgo, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the High Priestess, the Two of Swords, the Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Justice. Now, in their mind space, they feel like they should do the right thing. And according to them, the right thing is to stay away from the situation. Okay. Now, when it comes to the feelings that they have for you guys, it's like they're not able to understand whether they should, even think about having a brand new beginning with you. It's like this person's feelings and emotions are kind of blocked by their mind, by their thoughts. For some of you, you blocked them, or for some of you, they blocked you. Both of you blocked each other, and now this person is feeling there is a heavy blockage between you and them, and there's no way that this person and this situation is going to revive again. This is what they're feeling. So they feel like having a brand new beginning with you, but at the same time, they feel like it's next to impossible because of the blockages. Okay, so that is why this person is kind of trying to figure out what they can do in the situation, but at the same time not able to understand what they should do actually. So they feel like keeping a distance from you is the right thing to do and is the justice in the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Tower. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. This person definitely wants to break this no contact. This person definitely wants to unblock you, or they want you to unblock them. This person wants to stabilize the connection between you and them, harmonize the connection. Stabilizing and harmonizing it could mean that you guys, this person wants to talk to you like a mature human, like a mature person. They want to talk to you about whatever happened. They want to communicate with you properly, and then they want to go to the next chapter of the situation, whether it's with you or without you. But they definitely want to take certain kind of action in order to stabilize the situation, again harmonize the situation. It's like two adults living in harmony, even if they're not together. That kind of intention they have. But they definitely want to talk to you. They definitely want to remove the blockages of communication or if some kind of miscommunication or misunderstanding happened between you guys, they want to resolve it with you, right? Like a mature adult person, like a grown up. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 22nd of September, Virgo. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, the World card. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, see, there are chances that this person is going to unblock you, or you are going to unblock them. There are chances that there might be a communication. There might be a conversation. I don't see ongoing communication or flow of communication. I do see might be a conversation is going to happen. See, the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. There might be a conversation regarding properly closing this chapter with again maturity, groundedness, and understanding that whatever happened. We guys can't change the past, but we can change the future, and we can be on harmonious term with each other. We can be friends with each other. We can be like, okay, we can see each other from time to time. Especially if you guys have mutual friend circle or mutual energies around you in some way. So there are very good chances that you guys are going to have a conversation with this particular person, and in that conversation you guys are going to decide to be in a harmonious kind of connection with each other. I don't see a reconciliation or coming back together like lovers, but I do see this energy of two people understanding that whatever happened. You guys can't change it, but at least you guys can be in a harmonious kind of energy with each other. Okay, it's like not behaving like enemies. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So it could be like the ending of a painful cycle between you guys, but at the same time I don't see reconciliation as lovers or something. I do see friendly kind of energy, harmonious kind of energy between you guys. Okay, at least one of you will decide to initiate this communication, this conversation, and try to bring things back to balance in the way, again I'm telling, in a friendly way, in a friendly manner. Okay, this is what I'm getting as an outcome. So let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Virgo. Page of Pentacles, yeah, same guidance. So the thing is that if you are ready to have a harmonious kind of energy towards this particular person or energy, make sure you're going towards them as a friend only, or you are keeping this person as a friend only as of now. Then you can see where things are going slowly but surely. But as of now, don't take this situation as like, oh my god, this person came back to me, now we are going to get married and then we are going to have kids and this and that. Okay, right now take the situation for what it is, and understand right now friendliness and harmonious kind of deal is very very important, even if you guys are going to be lovers in the future or not. So as of now, it's a friendly kind of a deal. It's like two people just existing in this universe, like within the harmony kind of energy. Okay, so this is the deal here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.